On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don assure Edo youth say Ogbonge opportunities dey brekete for dem to take learn more skills and get support from investors. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok am say him administration go continue to dey provide more opportunities for youths for Edo State to take gain Ogbonge skills wey dem go fit take make money for themselves, as e be say na part of im promise to create 200,000 jobs and produce workforce wey go carry technology-based solutions come Edo State. Godwin Obaseki give dis assurance of World Youth Skills Day wey United Nations celebrate for the whole world. He tok say na part of im plans to make sure say sustainable growth dey for Edo, and na dis one make wey him dey create jobs for youths wey no get work for Edo State so that dem go fit take care of theirself and their household. Obaseki tok say na still on top dis one him don take redesign the educational curriculum to take give Ogbonge attention to technical and vocational education and even information and communication technology wey be ICT. He say now more youths don dey benefit from the huge investment wey dey Edo Innovation Hub, Edo Production Center and other programs wey dey teach skill wey na Edo jobs na bring am come out. Obaseki say the reconstruction wey dey shele for Benin Science and Technical College (BSTC) don almost complete and e go be hub for training of technology-based solution providers. He tok say United Nations sef don tok say e clear well say na pipo wey dey young na no dey get job reach the ones wey don old, and dem no still dey get Ogbonge opportunity to take get better work for labour market. And to make sure say everybody know the importance of to dey invest for youth skills development, na United Nations Conte tok say July 15 every year go be World Youth Skills Day. Na so we see this Ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don assure Edo youth say Ogbonge opportunities dey for them to take learn more skills and get more support from investors. Make una no forget say this Ogbonge update na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media.